If you are in Montreal, I highly recommend visiting this restaurant. I thoroughly enjoyed the dining experience. The French onion soup was nice and piping hot and really cheesy. This beef short rib was so tender and tasty, and the mashed potato was crusted on the top and creamy on the bottom. But my personal favorite, seriously, is this irresistible surf and turf platter to share. It came with a 40-ounce delicious juicy tomahawk steak. You've got jumbo shrimp, you've got lobster, scallops, you got butter dipping sauce, a variety of dipping sauces for all the different types of meat you have here. We ordered sautéed mushrooms, Brussels sprouts, we ordered sweet potato fries. Everything was flavored just right. What's great about this platter is that you can sample some seafood, you can sample some meat, and you have a variety of sides that you can choose from. For me, I love steak and I love seafood, so it's really hard to decide on one for an entree, and this was just perfect. The scallops were fresh and cooked just right. It was not overcooked, it was juicy and seasoned just perfectly. Another thing I wanted to mention about this restaurant is their extensive wine list. There were so many different selections. We settled on a bottle that would pair perfectly with the seafood as well as with the meat. No joke, these jumbo shrimps were definitely jumbled and cooked to perfection. They were juicy, they were crunchy. Every bite was super delicious. I personally love lobster, and they definitely cooked this lobster to perfection. It was juicy, it was tender, and dipped in this butter sauce was so delicious. The tomahawk steak is one of my favorite cuts because it's marbled, and when cooked just right, it's juicy and flavorful right down to the bone. Tonight's dining experience in Montreal was definitely a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend visiting this restaurant.